he discussed about the actual independence that India wanted to get from Britishers, and he put it before audiences, and he also had put it before the Britishers that he wanted that kind of independence for India, and he didn't want that isolated independence which was which contained some limits, and India needed a great freedom which was a dream of Mahatma Gandhi and his
Mahatma
fellow
Gandhi.
assistants, Vijay and his fellow assistants. So that was not going to be fulfilled in the second roundtable conference, which was going to be held in London, as I told you, from which date to which date it was continued. But Mahatma Gandhi, I told you that he was the sole delegate of that second roundtable conference from India. He was the sole delegate, and he was the one of the representative from India. But the conference, the second roundtable conference, was not going to be succeeded because of Britishers. But outside the conference, the person Mahatma Gandhi used to deliver his speeches before large number of audiences, and he won the heart of everyone there. ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ହୃଦୟ ଜିତିବାର ସେ ସହାୟକ ହେଇଥିଲେ, and that is why as I told you, he owned the heart of slum areas of London, and then he went to the Tea Party, which was organized by King and Queen Mary.
Princess
Huh.
King and Queen.
Yes, and later on, he also went to the place named Lancashire, which was known as Lion's Den, and it was very dangerous.
Lawrence.
Yes, which was a very dangerous place, and people or those who were employed, and they used to work in different milk, and they lost their job due to Mahatma Gandhi's announcement that avoid, and
Exactly.
which was known avoid Swadeshi, avoid foreign clothes and adopt Swadeshi. बुझिला कि नहीं? So whatever it is manufactured in your country, you should adopt it, and you will have to avoid foreign clothes. And as a result, the people of Lancashire lost their job in different mill and in different industries. बुझिला? So later
Okay.
on, तापर से कौन ହେଇଥିଲା? It was a painful unemployment, as we discussed in the previous class, and the person Mahatma Gandhi went to that place known as Lancashire. Lancashire ଜାଗାକୁ ଯାଇଥିଲା, and he also delivered speech there, and there he won the heart of everyone. One of the person belonged to Lancashire came to Mahatma Gandhi and said the same thing that Mr. Gandhi is saying.
Yes,
Se
yes.
kon କହିଲେ, if I was in India, I would say the same thing that Mr. Gandhi is saying. ମୁଁ ସେଇ କଥା କରିଥାନ୍ତି ବା ମୁଁ ସେଇ କଥା କହିଥାନ୍ତି ଯଦି ମୁଁ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ଥାନ୍ତି. One of the
Brigadier India.
unemployed from Lancashire said to Mahatma Gandhi, said it to Mahatma Gandhi. ବୁଝିଗଲା? And another thing was happened there, and what was that? A delightful photograph was taken outside the Greenfield Mill at Darwin shows Gandhi robbed in while homespun. So there was a photo taken by a journalist journalist, and he took a photo of Mahatma Gandhi who was robbed in while homespun. White homespun. ଧଳା ଯେଉଁ ପୋଷାକ ପିନ୍ଧିଥିଲେ ତାର ଫଟୋ ସେ ଉଠାଇଥିଲେ. ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାହିଁ? And at that time, what happened? A women came, and one of whom, to his embarrassment, is holding his hand. Mahatma Gandhiଙ୍କର ହାତକୁ ସେ ଧରି ପକାଇଥିଲା. So that shows, or that indicated, that the popularity of Mahatma Gandhi, even if he won the heart of everyone, where ମାନେ people were against of him, ଲୋକମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ଏଗେନ୍ଷ୍ଟ ଥିଲେ ସେଇଠି ବି ସେ ଲୋକଙ୍କର ହୃଦୟ ଜିତିବାର ସହାୟକ ହେଇଥିଲେ. So that kind of humble, that kind of simple, that kind of honest person Mr. Mahatma Gandhi was. ବୁଝିହେଲା? So we are moving the next paragraph. I found that my work lies outside the conference. He told a London audience, that is the real roundtable conference. So what was happening there in the conference hall was not going to be the original or actual conference, and it was going to be failed. Before ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଥିଲା second roundtable conference, as Mahatma Gandhi knew about it, but something he did, what was that? He went to different spaces, different places, and he used to deliver his speeches. Bujala, and he wanted to speak something about India's independence and how India was struggling and how India was fighting in the freedom movement. That is something he used to tell people, and that was something to win the heart of people of Britain and Britishers. So what happened in the next? So in a London audience, he spoke to, he told a London audience, the this is the real roundtable conference. The seed which is being sown now may result in softening the British spirit and in preventing the brutalization of human beings. बुझेला. So how Indians were being tortured by the Britishers. It was too difficult task on the part of the person Mr. Mahatma Gandhi to uh, to leave those people from India, to leave Britishers from India, and it was quite impossible on the part of Mahatma Gandhi because second round table conference was going to be failed. And what was the main aim of second round table conference? That the fortune of India was going to be decided whether India should get freedom or not. But there the mission was failed. Mission said failed and the dream of Mahatma Gandhi was not going to be fulfilled. So that is why he used to take part in different public meetings and he used to deliver his speeches, and there he wanted to, or he owned the heart of everyone, and that was the seed. ସେଇଟା ଥିଲା ସେଇ ମଞ୍ଜି ଯେ ସେଇଟା ଥିଲା ସେଇ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତାର ମଞ୍ଜି ଯୋଉଟା ପୋତିଥିଲେ ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀ. ବୁଝିହେଲା. And that was the that was something to destroy the spirit of Britishers ହେଲା, and to destroy the brutalization of Britishers. ବୁଝିହେଲା. जो ब्रुटलाइजेशन माने बुझी होची ना, ब्रुटलाइजेशन माने बुझी पारछ बोले जो द कंडीशन ऑफ बीइंग ट्रीटेड इन ए क्रूएल एंड सैवेज मैनर, जो माने माने अति अत्याचार करी लोकन को शोषण करी थांती, दैट काइंड ऑफ वर्ड इज ब्रुटलाइजेशन. सो द ब्रिटिशर्स टॉर्चर्ड अस. बुझेला कि नहीं, से ब्रिटिशर माने इंडियन मान को हमको टॉर्चर करथुले. सो दैट इज व्हाई द पर्सन महात्मा गांधी वांटेड टू लीव देम फ्रॉम इंडिया. इंडिया रु छाड़ी कर जीवा पाई से तांको बाध्य करूथले, बट इट वाज टू डिफिकल्ट टास्क एंड इट वाज इम्पॉसिबल. बुझियाला. एंड दैट इज व्हाई दे अरेंज्ड सेकंड राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस, बट इट वाज गोइंग टू बी फेल्ड. से मिशन फेल्ड होबा जाउतला काहे कि बिकॉज़ द effort was not sufficient on the part of Mahatma Gandhi, who was chosen as सोल डेलीगेट एकमात्र प्रतिनिधि भाव जो जाइथिले से तांकर एफर्ट समान माने तांकर एफर्ट एते नथिला, सेथि पई से कोन करले द मिशन वाज गोइंग टू बी फेल्ड, एंड दैट इज व्हाई ही went to different places of London and he took part in different debate and public meetings. बुझियला. and he हाँ on the heart of the people of London and people of England, लोक मानक हृदय जितबार से सक्षम होइतिले, and that forced Britishers to leave India entirely. बुझियला कि नहीं. so that was the seed. सेटा थिला से मंजी जोटा महात्मा गांधी को द्वारा पोता जाइथिला outside the second round table conference. so that was the real effort put by the person Mahatma Gandhi in the past. बुझियला. अतीतर सेटा ही थिला से मंजी, एंड एटा बाध्य करथिला ब्रिटिशर मानको भारत छाड़ी के जीवा पाए. बुझियला. so Mahadev Desai's diaries show that Mahatma often got to bed at 2 a.m., awoke at 3:45 a.m. for prayers, wrote letters and read papers, rested again for 5 to 6 and had no respite. RESPITE. The meaning of respite is rest by Visram. From then till the next morning at 1 or 2 a.m. Small wonder that he occasionally slept at sessions of the conference. He didn't give it his best. Bujhiyala. So he was chosen as the sole delegate of that second round table conference. And before that, Mahadev Desai, who was an assistant of Mahatma Gandhi, I told you, he maintained the diary of Mahatma Gandhi, and he wrote what, when did Mahatma Gandhi wake up. Bujhiyala. हाँ केतेबेले से उठुथिले. सो महात्मा गांधी often got to bed at 2 a.m. दुईटा बेले. बुझियला. रात्र उठुथिले, and at 3:45 a.m. for prayer. 3:45 रे से तांकर प्रेयर को जाउथिले. बुझियला. प्रार्थना करथुले. and wrote letters and read papers. लेटर लेखुथिले, चिट्ठी लेखुथिले एवं पेपर पढुथिले. बुझियला. and rested again from 5 to 6. पुणी 5 रे सुई पड़ुथिले, पुणी 6टा जाए. बुझियला. and had no respite from till the next morning. आउ से नेक्स्ट दिन सकाळ पर्यंत तांकर आउ कोनस प्रकार निद नथिला, and he didn't take rest. बुझियला. at 1 or 2 a.m. घंटे रु 2टा पर्यंत से जमा रेस्ट नौ नथिले बुझिला
नहीं
एंड अ स्मॉल वंडर व्हाट वाज दैट गोटे आश्चर्य जिनस घटना कौन थिला एज आई टोल्ड यू ही वाज चोजन एज द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ सेकंड राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस एंड ही बिलोंग एज ही वाज द ओनली पर्सन representing India बुझिला and but what was the issue that Mahatma Gandhi didn't give his best ଜାଣିଥିଲେ ସେ he knew that the mission was going to be failed and he didn't give his effort properly ବୁଝିଲା ତାଙ୍କର ଏଫର୍ଟ ସେ ସେତେ ଦେଇ ପାରିଲେ ନାହିଁ କୋଉଠି and could ହଁ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଟେବୁଲ କନଫରେନ୍ସରେ and most of the time he କ'ଣ କରୁଥିଲେ he slept at sessions of the conference ବେଳେ ବେଳେ ସେ କ'ଣ କରୁଥିଲେ ଶୋଇ ପଡ଼ୁଥିଲେ ବୁଝିଲା ହଁ so in this way we came to know about Mahatma Gandhi that he used to take part ଶୋଇ ପଡ଼ୁଥିଲେ ହଁ as we know in parliament have you ever seen in the ଲୋକସଭା member जो ଆମର ଅଛି parliament ରେ ଦେଖିଥିବ ନା ନାଇଁ ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ senior members they are old men they take part in different discussions but some of the persons those who are there they sleep on their seats ସେମାନେ ଶୋଇ ପଡ଼ନ୍ତି ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାଇଁ because on the part of old men ବୁଝିଲା ବୁଢ଼ା ହେଇଗଲା ପରେ it is too difficult task on the part of them or those people to sit patiently they cannot take part in every discussions because they will get bored slowly ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ବୋର୍ ହେଇଯାନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା ଜିନିଷ କୁହାଯାଏ ତ that kind of person Mahatma Gandhi but Mahatma Gandhi was quite different from them I am not telling you that Mahatma Gandhi was something like that actually he was busy in his work and he had a busy schedule all the day and he didn't have that much time to take rest and actually he used to visit different places in London and it was not helping him to sit patiently there actually as I told you he didn't take much rest बेसी विश्राम नौ नौथिले बुझिला कि नहीं all the time he visited different places to take part in different public meetings and he addressed people and he wanted to win the heart of people outside the conference बुझिला कि नहीं हाँ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର ହୃଦୟ ସେଇଠି ସେଇଟା ଜିତିଥିଲେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଟେବୁଲ କନଫରେନ୍ସ ବାହାରେ ଯାହା ହେଉଥିଲା ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ଦ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଟେବୁଲ କନଫରେନ୍ସ ବଟ୍ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ହ୍ୟାପନିଂ ଦେୟାର ଇନ୍ ଦ କନଫରେନ୍ସ ହଲ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଟେବୁଲ କନଫରେନ୍ସ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାଇଁ ସୋ ଇନ୍ ଦ ନେକ୍ସଟ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ଦେଖ ଇନ୍ ଦ ନେକ୍ସଟ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ମେନସନ୍ଡ ହିୟର ଦ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଟେବୁଲ କନଫରେନ୍ସ ୱାଜ୍ ବାଉଣ୍ଡ ଟୁ ଫେଲ୍ ବାଉଣ୍ଡ ଟୁ ଫଲ୍ ଫେଲ୍ ନାହିଁ ଫଲ୍ ହଁ ଫେଲ୍ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ସରି ସୋ ଦ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଟେବୁଲ କନଫରେନ୍ସ ୱାଜ୍ ବାଉଣ୍ଡ ଟୁ ଫେଲ୍ ବିଫଳ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଥିଲା ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀ knew about it and his dream was not going to be fulfilled and he was not going to get actual independence and they had been limited with that isolated independence which the person Mahatma Gandhi and his assistants didn't want जोड़ा से चाहू नथिले बुझेला so a member of the British delegation formulated the British purpose in one sentence I believe that the true policy between Britain and India is that we should in this country strive all we can to give effect to the views of India while preserving at the same time our own position. So something it is written and what was the result or what was the consequence of the second roundtable conference in our language we can say it was bound to fail eta before he jaythila but one of the delegate of that second round table conference and one of the delegate of British wrote or mentioned the purpose in one sentence gote sentence re se purpose ba se consequence lekha hitile kono the true policy between Britain and India is that we should in this country strive mane struggle hala STRIVE that means the Britishers decided that if India want anything strive strive mane struggle so what was the purpose which is written in one sentence by a delegate of British say kon likhile that the true policy between Britain and India is that we should in this country strive ए कंट्री रे आमे रहिबु आ आमे लोकंकर by seeing the views of India we will कौन लिखे से माने we will give our effect to the views of India while preserving at the same time our own position they wrote in one sentence that they will preserve their position first in India and they will also look at the views of India. They will look after India. That is what that is what something decided there in the second roundtable conference, and it was and it was declared before all the audiences, those who were gathered or those who were chosen as representative. ବୁଝିଗଲା ଯେଉଁମାନେ ପ୍ରତିନିଧି ମାନଙ୍କର ଆସିଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ରଖାଗଲା ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ଦ କନସିକ୍ୱେନ୍ସ ଫଳାଫଳ କ'ଣ ଆସିଲା ଯେ the person the British, the country will establish its position there in India, and he will also the British will also, or the British government will also look after the views of India, and they will also fulfill all the demands of India by preserving their position there in India. ଭାରତରେ ରହି ହିଁ ଭାରତର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମକୁ ସଲ୍ଭ କରିବେ ଆଉ ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ପୋଜିସନକୁ ବି ଏଷ୍ଟାବ୍ଲିଶ କରିବେ ହୁଏର୍ ଦେୟାର ଇନ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ. ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଦ ସେମ୍ ଥିଙ୍ଗ ଇଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ଏଗେନ୍ ହ୍ୟାପେନ୍, ଇଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଡ୍, ଇଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ରିମାଇଣ୍ଡ ସେମ୍. ବୁଝିହେଲା ଆଉ କିଛି ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ ନଥିଲା. ସୋ ଦ ସେମ୍ ଥିଙ୍ଗ ଇଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟେଡ୍ ଏଗେନ୍ ଦେୟାର ଇନ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ. ବୁଝିହେଲା. ସୋ in this way the second round table conference was failed, ଏଭଳି ଭାବରେ ବିଫଳ ହେଇଥିଲା. which we must not and cannot abandon an irresistible force. India's yearning to be free met an immovable object, Britain's wish to stay in India, that made agreement impossible. बुझिएला. So India demanded an actual freedom, an actual independence, and it was not happened as per the view of Mahatma Gandhi and the demand of Mahatma Gandhi. And the same thing was continued, that the British government would like to stay in India, and it would also establish its position. That is what they decided, and the dream of Mahatma Gandhi was not going to be fulfilled, and that made agreement impossible. ବୁଝିଲା. ଏଇଭଳି ଭାବରେ ଏଗ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟଟା ଅସମ୍ଭବ ହେଇପଡ଼ିଥିଲା ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର ଯେଉଁ ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ଥିଲା. And we can write few meanings there in the sentences. So irresistible force, ଲେଖ IRRESISTIBLE, irresistible force, जोटाकि केबे बंद करा जाय परिबो नै. बुझियला. तापरे हला yearning, 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 आग्रही. बुझियला.
हां सर.
एतिक जिंस बुझियला. So we are moving to the next paragraph. The British government had assigned 2 Scotland Yard detectives to guard Mahatma Gandhi in England. So there are two persons assigned by the British government for Mahatma Gandhi to escort him or to guard Mahatma Gandhi. बुझियला. महात्मा गांधी का प्रोटेक्शन ପାଇଁ ଦୁଇଟା ଗାର୍ड दिया जायतला, and they were appointed by British government. बुझियला. They were special policemen, giants in size रे बहुत बड़ थिले, विशिष्ट आकार रो थिले से माने, as we know that how policemen looks like. बुझियला कि नहीं. So who usually protected royalty, they grew to like the little men. Unlike most dignitaries, Gandhi didn't keep them at arm's length, but Mahatma Gandhi loved them, and he didn't maintain like a dignitary person. बुझियला. And he was not a VIP. That is what he used to show people. ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖାଉଥିଲେ that he was not a VIP. ସେ ଗୋଟେ VIP ନଥିଲେ, and he was not a royal person. ବୁଝିଗଲା. But for him, the British government decided that 2 detective yard or 2 guards will be appointed for him, and they were Scotland Yard. They were detectives, and they were appointed for Mahatma Gandhi in England. बुझिगला. So they were special policemen. बुझिगला. They were special policemen, giants in size. Their posture and their gesture was quite different from other police officers, and they were very special, and they were appointed for Mahatma Gandhi. But Mahatma Gandhi was performing quite different. He was not that kind of person, and he was not a royal person. Yes, he was not a special person, he was not a royal person. बुझियला कि नहीं. And but what Gandhiji did with them, se kon kortile. Gandhiji didn't keep them at arm's length or ignore them. बुझियला. But the person Mahatma Gandhi was trying to keep relationship with those people, hala, and he didn't behave like he was a royal person, he was a dignitary person, and he was a VIP. बुझियला. And he didn't keep them at arm's length or ignore them. से केबे भी तांको इग्नोर कर नथले आ तांको गोटे माने बेसी दूरतार रखु नथले तांको पाखु. बुझियला कि नहीं. हाँ. which the others do, जो अन्य माने करूथले जो भलिया से भलिया नथिला. बुझियला. He discussed public affairs with them. The person Mahatma Gandhi used to discuss different topics with those two police detectives ବୁଝିଗଲା
हाँ
ତାଙ୍କ
हाँ
ସହିତ ପବ୍ଲିକ ଆଫେୟାର୍ସ ବିଷୟରେ କଥା ହେଉଥିଲେ ଆଣ୍ଡ
କଥା ହଉଥିଲେ
ହଁ he also visited their homes. Mahatma Gandhi was quite different person and he wanted win the heart of everyone. He also on the heart of those two persons essent for Mahatma Gandhi ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାହିଁ visited his homes also ତାଙ୍କ ଘରକୁ ସେ ବୁଲିବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ବୁଝିହେଲା before leaving England he requested that they be allowed to accompany him to Brinsi. So before that the person Mahatma Gandhi was assigned to go to Brinsi which was situated in Italy ବୁଝିହେଲା and he also told those or he requested those two detectives to come with him ବୁଝିହେଲା
हाँ
and
सर
they both or they together traveled बुझिएला for then their chief asked to reason why because they are part of my family so out ଜିନିଷ ଅଛି
गंदी रिलेटेड हाँ
ହଁ ଇଟଲି ୱେନ୍ସ ହି ଉଡ୍ ସେଲ୍ ଫର୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ମାନେ ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀ ଯିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଭାରତ ଯିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ସେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ବ୍ରିନ୍ସି ନେଇକରି ଯାଇଥିଲେ ବୁଝିଲା ଇଟାଲୀର so their chief asked the reason why but the chief of two detectives asked why or what was the reason behind it and Mahatma Gandhi said they are part of my family they are members of my family ସେମାନେ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲିର ମୋର ମେମ୍ବର ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାହିଁ what that was the response of Gandhiji to the head or the chief of the two detectives from India he sent each a watch engraved with love from Mr. Mahatma Gandhi so ବୁଝିହେଲା and after reaching there in India or after his arrival in India from India he sent each a watch ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଯେଉଁ ଦୁଇଟା ଡିଟେକ୍ଟିଭ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଆସାଇନ୍ ହେଇଥିଲେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦୁଇଟା ଗିଫ୍ଟ ଦେଇଥିଲେ engraved watch ବୁଝିହେଲା
हाँ सर
with love from Mahatma Gandhi and something it was written a message it was written by Mahatma Gandhi and he sent it to those two detectives बुझिएला
हाँ सर
so in this way the topic is ended one thing we came to know that the second roundtable conference was about to fail and it was failed in real and the actual independence which the person Mahatma Gandhi demanded was not going to be succeeded and it was not going to be fulfilled but only thing it was written by the person Mahatma Gandhi and that was what the seed which lies outside that means how he used to take part in different public meetings he addressed people he took photographs with people that was the actual independence that was the actual seed ବୁଝିହେଲାନି ସେଟା ହେଉଥିଲା ପ୍ରକୃତ ମଞ୍ଜି ଯେଉଁ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତର ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେନ୍ସ ପାଇଁ ବା ଫ୍ରିଡମ୍ ପାଇଁ ବୁଝିହେଲା ହଁ
ग्राउंड
ଏତିକି ଥାଉ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ଲାସ୍ରେ ଅଧିକା ଆମେ ଇଏ କରିବା ହେଲା
ହଉ
ହଁ ରହିଲି
ହଉ ସାର୍ ନମସ୍କାର
ହଁ ନମସ୍କାର
ହଁ